Pav Bhaji is a popular Indian street food consisting of a spicy vegetable mashed bhaji served with buttered bread rolls. Pav. Here's a recipe to make Pav Bhaji along with the required spices. Ingredients for the bhaji: vegetables: 2 potatoes, peeled and cubed, 1 cup cauliflower florets, 1 cup green peas, 1 green bell pepper, chopped, 1 carrot, peeled and chopped, 1 cup chopped tomatoes, 1 large onion, finely chopped, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Spices: 2 teaspoons Pav Bhaji masala available in Indian grocery stores, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste. Others: 3 tablespoons butter, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, fresh coriander leaves, chopped for garnish, 1/2 cup water for the pav bread rolls. Pav buns 8 to 10. Butter for toasting. Instructions: the bhaji 1. Cook the vegetables. In a large pot, add the potatoes, cauliflower, green peas, green bell pepper, and carrot. Add enough water to cover the vegetables and boil until they are soft. Drain and set aside. 2. Mash the vegetables. Once cooked, mash the vegetables with a potato masher or the back of a spoon. 3. Prepare the base. Heat oil in 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pan or skillet over medium heat. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle. Add the finely chopped onions and sauté until golden brown. Add the ginger garlic paste and sauté for another 2 minutes until the raw smell goes away. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn soft and mushy. 4. Add spices. Add the Pav Bhaji masala, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix well. Add a little water if the mixture is too dry and cook for a few minutes until the oil starts to separate from the masala. 5. Combine and simmer. Add the mashed vegetables to the pan. Mix everything together and add 1/2 cup of water to adjust the consistency. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until everything is well combined and the bhaji reaches a thick, uniform consistency. Add lemon juice and mix well. 6. Finish with butter. Add the remaining butter on top and let it melt into the bhaji. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Preparing the pav 1. Toast the pav. Heat a skillet or tawa over medium heat. Slice the pav buns horizontally and apply butter on both sides. Toast the buns on the skillet until they are golden and crispy. Serve the hot bhaji on a plate, garnished with extra butter and fresh coriander. Place the toasted pav buns alongside. Accompany with chopped onions, lemon wedges, and extra Pav Bhaji masala for sprinkling on top if desired. Tips: adjust the spice levels according to your taste. Pav Bhaji masala is a blend of spices specifically for this dish, but if unavailable, a combination of garam masala and additional spices can be used. Enjoy your homemade Pav Bhaji. Subscribe PZ.